Hello. I don't know where I am. Well, I'm outside my house, but it's very cold. And I was very bored. I have my neighbors watching me right now, and it's not cool. I have people watching outside. Oh my god. What is that man doing? What is that man doing? Okay, that man just went into someone's house. What the fuck is wrong? Alright. I'm gonna try and find if I can see something not so naughty in this book. Something very, very weird in this block. So, got on my ninja costume, / a helmet, some glasses, and a scarf to keep me warm. And I'm just gonna tour a bit of the block. Cause, really? Oh god, here comes a car. Alright, so turn around and shake off my helmet. Pretend to walk into my house. Walk into my house slowly. Oh my god, he's coming. Okay, I can't see shit with these glasses. Alright, my cover almost was blown. But I got through it. It's just me. Alright. Cover my face. Put on my helmet. Oh my god, my neighbors. Spy on my neighbors. Okay, you can't see shit, but it fucked up. I mean, I don't know what this guy's doing. He's raging. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I almost got my cover blown by that man. He was staring at me. Right. I gotta put away my helmet. Put it down right here. And then walk over towards my nanny's because I am very bored. And I felt like walking around. I think I'm gonna walk near the park. Yeah, I'm gonna walk to the park. And you'll probably see something there because hopefully there's freaking lights on. Okay, this is very cold. What the hell is that? Oh, there. Just walk around this. Don't trip. Oh, walk in the established window. Oh, is he on? Is he on the computer? Oh, is he on? Oh, he's on the computer. He's probably playing World of Warcraft. Okay, he's getting cold. Fucking this. Fucking zipper. So. Oh, it's a cat. And I'll name this cat Twally. Hey, Twally. You like the camera, Twally? Kiss the camera. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video because I am freezing. And, we'll film the rest of this video in the light. Right over there. Right at that street light. God damn, it's fucking cold. Alright. You have just been filled in on a bit of my neighborhood. Been watched by a man. I saw someone walk into someone's yard. What the fuck? Why the hell is my soccer ball here? Anyway, I'm gonna sue a few people. Get some money. And, there's my secretary's house. Big bitch. But you have just been filled in by by Brandon Lindberner. Good night.